All right, guys, we're back here at the Red Balau Mahogany job we came to a couple weeks back. We came back a couple times to give you some updates. You know, they were in the process of building it. Right now, the whole deck is done. They did the whole bottom deck here. Actually did a raised planter box in the corner. It looks really nice. The wood has this really dark brown, red, deep color. It's been raining here, so it kind of brings out that color even more. You can see here on this raised deck, goes in the house. This is all the surface decking and even the skirting here. That's all the Mahogany Red Balau decking. So the deck boards, the skirting, the stairs, all that is the Mahogany decking. And then this railing they did, it's a mix of species. This is Kumru wood, it's Brazilian teak. So you can see all the spindles, the top rail, even the post. It's a mix of species. You can see even when you don't have the same species, it looks really nice together. The Red Balau mixed with the Kumru looks really sharp. They oiled it up. So this is our first job here in the Buffalo area that we did this Mahogany Red Balau decking. You know, a lot of different cool aspects about it. You know, you got the nice deck boards on the bottom, that raised planter in the corner. Yeah, it really turned out nice. So yeah, right now we have Red Balau, we have the Kumru. These are all woods you can buy from Advantage Lumber. They all work great together. So give us a call today. We can supply you for your decking, some railing, anything you need for your next outdoor project. We got everything here at Advantage Lumber.